beneath the mountain stone, smoke climbs black where the red winds groan. From ember and oath, one name is known. Torgoth Clawhammer strikes through the sparks, a grin like a blade in the furnace dark. Boots on the table, fist to the sky, dreams where the weak and the fearful die. He forged his laugh in a cannon's flame, he branded the night with his battle name. From the pit to the peak, the rafters ring. When Torgoth rises, the dead bells sing. Raise the horn, lift the steel, feed the fire, make it kneel. Hail, Torgoth Clawhammer, blazing axe felled high, Swearin we're all gonna die. Hail, Torgoth Clawhammer, roar his name through the iron hall again. Drink, runners, drink, till the black cups shine like war tonight. Hail, Torgoth Clawhammer, king of the cask and the cursed flame light. Hell's gate cracked when V pounded the anvil. Ash fell down like a prophet's mantle. He called for thunder and thunder came. He taught the coals how to spell his name. Wolves of the hillside howled in time. Church bells drowned in the meat-soaked chime. He stood in the blaze with a crown of soot and stamped old fear beneath his boots. Beat the board, stoke the coal, one voice loud, one iron soul. Hail, Torgoth Clawhammer, blazing axe held high, Swearin we're all gonna die. Hail, Torgoth Clawhammer, roars name through the iron hall again. Drip, brothers, drip, till the bop cups shine like war tonight. Hail, Torgoth Clawhammer, king of the cask and the cursed flame light. See the furnace mouth open wide, see the saints and the sinners come.